BNB has moved above $680 for the first time in recent weeks, signaling renewed strength among buyers. The token's price action has pushed beyond a key resistance level, which traders had been watching closely for signs of a potential reversal. The breakout follows a period of consolidation, where traders were divided between those expecting a recovery and those anticipating a continued decline. Now, with BNB trading above $683, the focus has shifted to whether this movement can be sustained. The token's weekly performance has already climbed nearly 7%, indicating that buyers are willing to push higher. This upward movement is supported by a technical setup where BNB has moved above the 100-day exponential moving average, a level often used by traders to gauge medium-term momentum. The price is now challenging the upper boundary of a horizontal channel, with the next resistance area forming around the 200-day EMA. Traders are watching closely as accumulation has been steady during intraday swings, which has helped stabilize price action. This suggests that buyers are not just pushing the price higher, but are also defending key levels with consistent activity. Momentum indicators suggest that short-term traders are still active, defending breakout zones and monitoring liquidity clusters that form around previous. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Resistance levels. These clusters now act as potential support areas, reinforcing the idea that buyers are prepared to test higher levels. The broader cryptocurrency market is also showing signs of improvement, with Bitcoin's stability encouraging rotation into major altcoins like BNB. This has led to increased spot buying activity across key exchanges, as traders look for opportunities in assets that are showing strength. Derivatives markets have also seen improved sentiment, with renewed liquidity flowing into large-cap assets. This is a sign that traders are becoming more confident in the market's direction, which could help sustain the current upward trend. The Binance ecosystem is also contributing to the positive momentum, with growing activity across various platforms. This increased engagement supports the idea that BNB is not just experiencing a short-term bounce, but is part of a broader recovery in the crypto space. ETF inflows are also playing a role, as institutional interest continues to grow. This has helped strengthen the overall market outlook, with some analysts suggesting that BNB could extend its gains toward the $800 to $940 range if the current momentum holds. However, the path to $700 remains a key target in the short term, and traders will be watching whether this level can be held. A successful test of this resistance could open the door for further gains, but a failure to hold could lead to a retest of the $680 level or even a pullback to lower support areas. The current environment is shaped by shifting macroeconomic signals, including recent inflation data that initially triggered risk-off sentiment across markets. However, as conditions improve, traders are beginning to take on more risk, which has helped drive buying interest in BNB and other major altcoins. The next signal to watch is whether BNB can maintain its position above $680 and push higher towards $700. A sustained move. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Above this level would be a strong sign that buyers are in control and that the token could continue its upward trajectory. If the price fails to hold above $680, it may indicate that the current rally is not yet strong enough to overcome deeper resistance. Traders will also be watching for signs of accumulation at higher levels, which could suggest that institutional players are building positions ahead of a potential breakout. The market is still in a state of flux, and while the current momentum is positive, uncertainty remains about whether this trend will continue or if a reversal is still possible.